Hi, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a menu for your Pybricks hub so that you can switch between your different runs, at the table instead of doing it through the computer. So where this came from is a page on the Pybricks website here, and it's how to make a menu for your robot here. I'm going to give you code for it too. And you can either choose to have the kids do this or you can just do it for them. And then, it's of course, if the kids do it, they can talk about developing a menu. If not, then they just have to say that, it was there for us. So if you are going to have the kids do it, there's some sample programs here that you'll be making the menu out of. And then here's sample code that I developed the stuff you guys, if you're using it for the kids, I copied it out of here. So you would copy this code into, your Pybricks, uh, you know, code development, and use that. So this is in Python, in the text form. It's not in blocks. So I don't know if you can use blocks for it or not, but um, it's in Python. So let me show you guys where I put the code that you guys can use. So it's going to be on the challenge shared drive, and then I just put it in programming, and then it's this menu py. So you can download that and bring it into the Pybricks code. So I have it already loaded here. So it'll look like this. And just a quick overview. This is the letters or numbers that are going to show up when you run this program. So you can put any single letter or number in here. So I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9. So when we launch this program, it'll have like a 1 showing, and then if you hit the arrow buttons, it'll go back and forth between these. Down here is the programs it's going to run. So just so you know, the programs have to be over here on the left when you run the menu for it to be inserted into your brick. So I'm also going to show you how to, so run 1 is all set to go because it matches what's down here, right? So my run 2, it has today's date behind it. I know some teams like to, version their software this way. So put a date behind it so you know where it came from. So one thing you can do is just hit that little pencil, then you change the name, rename, and then it matches the one down here, and it will run when you run this program. So my third run, I called it green. The other option to change this is if you change the name here. So delete this, run 3. And then if you start typing green, it'll fill it in. So you see how it says green? So if you click on that, now when you do 3, it'll run green. So you don't have to change the name. However, if you change the name of these in the future, you have to change it down here. Otherwise, it won't work. So once you run this, it'll show the numbers, and then when you hit the number, it will run your program. And then when it comes back around, you gotta once 1 runs, you gotta select 2 and run 2 for your second run. Excuse me. So the other thing that you can do is you can just leave it like this, and you'll have 1 through 9, and that's fine. If for in this case, if they hit run 4, there's no run 4, so it will just kick it right out. So it won't run anything. Um, but just for simplicity's sake, one thing you can definitely do is just delete these extra ones. So delete. So now all that I'll display is 1 through 3, and then I can just take this, um, all these, and delete them, and now my code is much simpler. So now the kids will only have 3 options to run. Obviously, if you add a 4th run, you're going to have to copy and paste this down with 4, and then add 4 up here. For the run you just added. So it's not too bad. I know some of you are thinking Python code, oh no, but it's okay. It works pretty well. And if you have any issues with it, let us know, and we will for sure help you. So, all right. Hope this goes well for you. Let me know if you need help. Thanks. Bye.